Good morning and everyone and welcome. This is Jeffrey's regular channel page on this Friday, December 23rd, a couple days from Christmas 2022. We have another Operation Weather right now. Um, we have a blizzard warning in effect for Cuyahoga, Janiga, and Ohio, and for Crawford County, Pennsylvania, from 9:25 a.m. Eastern until 4 o'clock Saturday until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. They're saying what for the blizzard warning, additional blizzard conditions occurring, additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches, winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills occurring. Wind chills as low as 30 degrees below zero. Impacts plan on slippery roads, conditions, areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The cold wind chills could cause frostbites on exposed skin as little as 30 minutes. Additional details, multiple observations in northeast Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania has reported near zero visibilities. The combination of falling snow, blowing snow, and strong winds will continue to create blizzard conditions through tonight. From today through Sunday, periods of almost 48 hours when temperatures remain in the single digits. The combined with strong winds would allow for a long periods of wind chills way below zero. Temperatures could, for an extended period of time, will impact in in infrastructure across the region with frozen pipe concern. Prepare cautionary preparedness actions. Travel could restriction to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you stranded, stay in your vehicle. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, hat, and gloves. The latest road conditions for the state you're from obtaining calling 511. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation Turnpikes Commission strongly motorists to heal all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary traveling. Visit 511pa.com for the latest roadway and traffic conditions. Again, this is a blizzard warning in effect for 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 a couple of counties in Ohio, and for the same two counties in Ohio and Crawford County only, from 9:25 this morning till 4 o'clock tomorrow, until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. I did the wind chill warning yesterday. And also I heard Erie and Asheville. Also we also got a blizzard warning in effect for Asheville Inland and Asheville Lakeshore counties in Ohio, and for northern Erie and southern Erie counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Again, this is a blizzard warnings in effect for Asheville Inland and Lakeshore, Janiga, Cuyahoga, and for in Ohio, and for Erie and Crawford counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Let's see what they say for this. They're saying what? Blizzard warnings. The blizzard warnings for conditions occurring. Add additional snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Winds gusting at 60 miles per hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills occurring. Excuse me. Wind chills as low as 30 degrees below zero. We'll skip the where and what when part, because I already told you that. If travel could be very difficult, impossible. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous snow conditions could impact the evening commute. Strong winds could cause tree damage. The cold wind chills could get frostbites or exposed skin as little as 30 degrees. I already read the whole plug, so again, this is a blizzard warnings in effect for Cuyahoga, Janiga, Asheville and Asheville, for Asheville, Lakeshore and Inland, and for Erie and Crawford counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. all happening this Friday. Oops, sorry. All happening this Friday, December 23rd, a couple days from Christmas 2022, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Before we read the weather up, before we read the forecast for today through Sunday, remember, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, along with Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We got over 500 videos on the regular channel page of the holidays and occasions. We're going to do one this Sunday, since we're honoring Christmas. The Operation Weather we're doing right now for the blizzard warning. We also do the semi trucks. We probably won't see much today. Garbage trucks. We seen one yesterday. The Tri-County it is. And we also do and all that and the Christmas lights and pumpkin drawings and sports recaps and all that good stuff. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel pages. Check it out. Also subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We got over 1,500 videos of trains and trainless videos to enjoy of Titusville, Meadville, Erie. What else do we do? Titusville, Meadville, Erie, Butler, and what else do we do? We also do Greenville and all that good stuff, and the train companies like the CSX, the Norfolk Southerns, the OC&Ts, Western New York, B&P, Canadian Trains, Amtrak's, BNSF, and UP to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. The winter storm warning had been changed to a blizzard warning about right before especially before 9:30 this morning. That's when it hit, though. That's why I just want to make sure. And then the wind chill advisories remains in effect until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So again, I thought they're going to cancel. They did cancel the winter storm warning when it changed to the blizzard warning, but this is going to be tough as far as wind chills is concerned. But and all that stuff going on here with this weather, with this storm system right there. So, but let's go ahead right now and all right, let's go ahead and take a look let's go to the let's go ahead and let's review, let's take a look, let's see let's review what's the forecast for today is. We're going to start with Titusville. They're saying windy with occasional snow showers. Areas of blowing snow. High 5. Winds south southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Oops, sorry. Tonight, occasional snow showers, quite windy early. Areas of blowing snow. Low 2, winds south southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snowfall around 1 inch. Tomorrow, occasional snow showers. High 8, winds southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. About 1 inch of snow expected. Tomorrow night, variable cloudy with snow showers. Low 6, winds winds southwest it is at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. And Sunday, mainly cloudy with snow showers in the morning. High 13, winds west southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Tomorrow's supposed to get single digits. Let's see what the forecast for Meadville. Look at that. It's like one, like high of only 1. Here's the forecast for Meadville today. Occasional snow showers. Quite windy. Low. Areas of blowing snow. High 3. Winds south southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tonight, occasional snow showers. Quite windy. Areas of blowing snow. Low -1. Winds southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Tomorrow, snow showers, high 8, winds southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Tomorrow night, variable clouds with snow showers. Low 8, winds winds southwest it is at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Snowfall around 1 inch. And Sunday, mainly cloudy with snow showers in the morning. High 14. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Let's take a look what the forecast for Erie right now. They're saying periods of windy today with periods windy with periods of snow today. Areas of blowing snow. High 11. Winds southwest at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tomorrow night, windy with snow in the evening to give away snow showers overnight. Areas of blowing snow. Low 3. Wind southwest at 15 or 25 to 40 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tomorrow, windy with snow of very intensity. The snow is more likely to accumulate during the afternoon. Areas of blowing snow. High 14. Wind southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tomorrow night, snow showers with gusty winds at times. Areas of blowing snow. Low 13. Wind southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. And Sunday, periods of snow and windy. High 19. Winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Heavier amounts and persistent snow bands. And Sunday night, variable clouds with snow showers. Low 10. Winds southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. And last but not least, let's do northeast. What you're seeing behind me is now a live shot of right outside across the river in New York City from Erie. Welcome back to the show. I'm Dominic Q in for Brian Sullivan. What you're seeing behind me is now a live shot of right outside across. Let's take a look at the forecast for today, and we're gonna do this northeast forecast, and then that's gonna be it because we gotta save some for the train expert channel. So I'm gonna do these Bonica trains because we're not gonna have any, because the next train events won't be happening until after Christmas. So, but let's take a look at the forecast for today. Snow along with gusty winds at times. Areas of blowing snow. High 12. Winds southwest at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Tomorrow night, windy with snow in the evening to give away snow showers overnight. Areas of blowing snow. Low 5. Winds southwest at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. And tomorrow, windy with periods of light snow. Areas of blowing snow. High 14. Winds southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tomorrow night, snow along with gusty winds at times. Areas of blowing snow. Low 12. Winds southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 100%. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. And Sunday, periods of periods of snow and windy. High 19. Winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Heavier amounts in precessed snow bands. And Sunday night, variable clouds with snow showers. Low 11. Winds southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%, and snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. And that's it. Let's see if Greenville or Pittsburgh's calling for a blizzard warning. No, they're under a winter weather advisory. So, excuse me. So, yeah, it's supposed to call for some places supposed to get 1 to 3 inches of snow expected, and some places supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of snow expected as far as the snow accumulations is concerned. And and most of everybody here is supposed to get at least 30 below zero, especially at night coming up. So all right, we've been around for like around. We're getting on to the 30-minute mark, and I gotta go do. I gotta finish up. I gotta do these Norfolk Southern and CS. I gotta finish up the Norfolk Southern and CSX trains from Monica, Pennsylvania. Be coming up next. So we're gonna get off again. It's a. Is this a? Are they calling for a winter storm warning? Are they calling for? No, the blizzard. No, the winter storm warning has been changed to a blizzard warning right now. So I see now. Okay, thank you. All right, we're getting around to under 30 minutes. I gotta work. I gotta do these Norfolk Southern and see. I gotta finish up those Norfolk Southern and CSX trains coming up for the Train Expert channel. So we're gonna get off again. This is a blizzard warning in effect for Asheville Inland, Asheville Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, and Janiga counties of Ohio, and for Erie and Crawford counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's supposed to get highs, are supposed to be around single digits above zero, and lows supposed to get down 1 to 2 degrees below zero, maybe around zero for lows. And wind chill is supposed to get at least around 30 degrees below zero. I never seen wind chills or going this high before, so But we're going to get off for today. We're going to get off and we'll get back on in just a little bit on the Train Expert channel to finish up those Monica trains from of the Norfolk Southern and CSX trains. So we're going to get off and we'll get back on in just a little bit. We'll get back on here in just a bit. Talk to you later.